Hi guys, if you want to permanently delete files on Windows 11 without sending them to recycle bin, then let's see how to do it. As you know, whenever you open any folder and delete any file, let's say this, and when we click on this delete option here, you can see it gets deleted from here and it goes directly to the recycle bin. And in order to remove this file completely, we have to remove it from the recycle bin. Either select it or click on this delete option, or simply click on the empty recycle bin option. Then it will ask you, are you sure that you want to permanently delete this file? And when you select yes, then the file gets deleted. But in case if you do not want to do that and want to permanently delete files on Windows 11 without sending them to recycle bin, then let's see how to do it. Here I am going to show you two different methods to permanently delete files on Windows 11 without sending them to recycle bin. So here is the first method. Let's say you want to permanently delete this file without sending it to the recycle bin. Then you will have to press Shift plus Delete key on your keyboard. So let's do that. I am going to press Shift plus the Delete button here. And you can see it is asking me, are you sure that you want to permanently delete this file? Here if I select yes, the file will be permanently deleted and it will not go to the recycle bin. So let's check it. You can see recycle bin is completely empty and the file got permanently deleted without getting here. So this was the first method, and in case if you do not want to use the shortcut key, then let's see the second method. So here is the second method. To permanently delete files without sending them to recycle bin, you can do this setting. So for that, first of all, right click on the recycle bin, and here you will see the option properties. Simply click on it. Now here you will see the recycle bin settings. Here you have to select this option, don't move file to the recycle bin, remove files immediately when deleted. So simply select it, and to display the delete confirmation, select this option as well, and then click on apply button and then click on OK. From now on, whenever you delete any files, it will not go to the recycle bin. It will be permanently deleted from your system. So let's check it out. For that, open any folder. Let's say I want to delete this file. So I will simply right click on it and click on delete option here. It will ask me for the confirmation. I will select yes. Now let's check the recycle bin. And you can see deleted files is not in the recycle bin. Let's see one more time. Let's say I want to delete this video. So I will simply right click on it and select the delete option here. I will select the confirmation yes. Now let's go back and check the recycle bin. You can see video is not in the recycle bin and it has been permanently deleted from the system. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily permanently delete files on Windows 11 without sending them to recycle bin. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.